Jackson Smith catches the bottom of the zone, and it's no balls at 1 strike. As for Greensboro, the 0-1. Misses outside, 1 ball, 1 long wait. And the 1-1 pitch. Hard hit, liner, fouled on the. Here comes the 1-2 pitch. Wave and a miss. He starts his night off with a swinging strikeout. In all, the pitch misses low to Petray, and its percentage also leads the team in RBIs. The 1-0 bounces home. Good snap. The pitch just missed the outside corner. 3-0 pitch. Petray took all the way. Get 3 involved. 3-1 on the inside corner this time. Here comes the payoff pitch. Misses outside. Petray tosses the bat and the protectors for him in the power department early this season. He shows bunt, and it's bunted foul behind home plate. The 0-1. Horvath takes it on the outer half at 80. The 0-2. Horvath taps one foul on the third base side. Keeps it
averaging 1 run.
0-2 is fouled off again. The 0-2 fouled off. 4. The pitch. Got him chasing after some off speed below this couple of times last week. The first pitch. Thought about it, held back, and missed low. Black leather glove at the stomach. The 1-0. That one is ripped foul. The 1-1. Chopper foul. It's usually how people go. The 1-2. Misses inside. 2-ball. 2-2 pitch. Martinez watches one in the dirt. Good stop from Plosby. It's been a big offensive year for Rao. The 3-2. Misses low. Second walk. Righty on righty. First offering. Mateo checks his swing. Pitch misses outside. Here's the 1-0. Lifted in the air. Shallow center. Going back as a second baseman, Delgado. He gives way to Stafora, and he makes the catch. 4-out inning on its way. Wave and a miss by CC, and it's no balls in 1 strike. Here comes the 0-1 pitch. Chopper foul on the home. The 0-2. Wave and a miss. Upstairs at 96. And he found hits in a few of those games. As a first pitch misses low. It's 1 ball. There's a 1-0 pitch. Hard hit bouncer towards short. Scooped up by Stafora. Throw to first is in time by a few steps to get Haas. And there is out. Here comes the first pitch. Wave and a miss. Went down low at 89. The 0-1 pitch. Lofted in the air down the left field line. Sprinting after it. Castillo, the third baseman, towards offense. The 0-2. Popped up third. 0-2 pitch. Misses low and away. Good plate vision. Went 0 for 3. A strikeout and a couple of fly balls. 1-2 is foul. 1-2. Just misses the upper portion of the zone. Primarily from the stretch. The break even. Misses low, and the count goes full for a third time tonight. Missed with the 2 walks in the first inning. Payoff is roped fouled on the first base line. And the payoff pitch. Popped up, stayed on the infield. Coming in is a first baseman, Moss, but it's Plaus, the catcher, who takes over and makes the catch not too far from home plate. Diaz. Here's a pitch. Lands on the outside. The 0-1. Shows bunt, puts it down, but foul behind. The 0-2. Diaz ropes one towards left center. Sinking and down in front of the center fielder, Taylor. Base hit for John Diaz. He puts on the brakes after rounding first. Good lead off first. The pitch. Smith watches it low. Good. The 1-0. Smith takes it on the low and inside. The 1-1. Tap foul behind zone plate. The 1-2. Hard roller through to the right side. Base hit for Smith. Diaz goes around second initially, but for him here, no outs. Runners on first and second. The pitch roped to right, but straight at Brennauer in right field. Diaz takes a few steps, but the throw cut off by the pitch. Horvath fouls it off. Here's the 0-1. That one misses low and away. Here's the 1-1. Horvath takes it low and inside. Missed Justin. 2-1. Grabs the outside corner at 90. 2-2 pitch. Horvath ropes one, snagged on a short hop. The play at second, relay to first. That's an inning-ending 6-4-3 double play. And
kicks and throws home. First pitch sinks inside, 1-0. And the 1-0 delivery. Big swing and a miss, 1-1. Third, Chang comes set, turns and fires. 1-1, skips inside, set. The 2-1 delivery. Popped up into left field, playable for the left fielder, and he makes the catch as White Jr. clutches. Chang steadies and fires. Cut on and miss from Mateo. It's 0-1. The 0-1 pitch. Big swing and a miss, 0-2. 10 days. The 0-2 offering. Tap down the third base side. It's called a fair ball. Gloved by the third baseman and fires to first in time. On righty. Chang kicks and delivers. First pitch swung on and missed by Colmenares. And comes set. Turns and hurls home. 0-1. Ripped on the ground to the shortstop Stafora. He gloves and fires to first. A nice stretch by the first baseman Moss, who went at the belt. Kicks and delivers. First pitch misses inside to Hunter Haas. 1-0. Chang kicks and deals. 1-0 outside. Green. 2-0. Is looped into left center field. Long run for the left fielder. White Jr. goes into a dive and on righty. Chang at the belt, kicks and throws. First pitch sneaks inside, 1-0. 1-0. Outside, 2-0. Chang above the belt and throws. 2-0. Half-hearted swing and a miss, 2-1. Towards first, now comes set and throws home. 2-1 inside, 3-1 to Veohi. Butler, the Greensboro manager, congrats. 3-1 outside and a 5-pitch walk. Chang looks back at second and throws home. First pitch to Diaz inside. In fact, WKU about a decade ago. 1-0, check swing, roll home in Bowling Green. 1-1. Big swing and a miss, 1-2. Second, above the belt. He kicks and hurls home. 1-2. Looks back at second, still no outs. The 1-2 is tapped down the first base side. Fair ball. Moss gloves, steps on first, and wins the race to the bag. But both runners move up 90 feet. Bottom of the fifth. First pitch. Stays high, 1-0. Second. Kicks and hurls home. 1-0. Dabs the out open stance. Knees are bent. The 1-1 offering is smashed foul to the screen. And Smith is down 1-2 and the pitch. Cut on and missed. And another strikeout for Maiden. Cover off the ball as of late. First pitch. Upstairs. Hitting nearly slightly bent. 1-0. Stays high. 2-0 to Petre. Stares back at the third base bag and throws home. 2-0. Runs inside. 3. Lang Cheng. The 3-0. On the inner half. 3-1. At second and fires home. Just outside, and that pitch did not miss by much. A third walk of the night from Chang, his second of this inning.